You walk out into your garden after a rainstorm and overnight mushrooms have appeared everywhere. Most gardeners immediately assume something's wrong, but mushrooms are actually messages. They're one of the clearest clues that your garden can give you about what's happening beneath the surface. This is Master Gardener Steve, and today I'm going to show you what those mushrooms may be trying to tell you, and why most of the time they're actually good news. Your soil's alive. What you see above ground is only a tiny part of the organism. Beneath your feet is an underground fungal network called mycelium. It spreads throughout the soil, connecting organic matter, microorganisms, and plant roots. When conditions are right, that network produces mushrooms. Think of mushrooms like apples on an apple tree. The mushroom isn't the organism, it's the visible sign that the organism's thriving. When mushrooms appear in a garden bed, they're often telling you your soil ecosystem is active and functioning. The second message: the cleanup crew is hard at work. Fungi specialize in breaking down things most other organisms can't easily digest. Wood chips, mulch, dead roots, fallen leaves. As fungi decompose this material, nutrients are slowly returned to the soil where plants can use them. So when mushrooms suddenly appear in a freshly mulched bed, they're not usually attacking your plants, they're recycling yesterday's organic matter into tomorrow's fertility. Here's one many gardeners never realize. Sometimes mushrooms are acting like an underground treasure map. If you see mushrooms appearing in a line, a circle, or in the same location year after year, there's often hidden food source below. Old tree roots, buried stump, construction lumber, wood debris left behind years ago. The fungi are feeding off that material underground and sending up mushrooms directly above it. In many cases, mushrooms reveal those things buried beneath your garden long before you ever discover them yourself. The fourth message is about moisture. Fungi need moisture to produce mushrooms. That's why they often seem to appear overnight after rain. In fact, a sudden flush of mushrooms after a storm is usually perfectly normal. It's simply telling you that your soil has reached some moisture level the fungi like. Think of mushrooms as moisture gauges. When rain arrives, they respond. And in most cases, that's exactly what you'd expect from a healthy garden ecosystem. The next clue comes from where mushrooms appear. Mushrooms in mulch mean decomposition is underway. Mushrooms in a lawn can often point to buried roots or old organic matter. Mushrooms appearing in containers can sometimes suggest soil stays wet way too long. And mushrooms emerging around the base of a tree deserve a closer look. Most are harmless, but mushrooms growing directly from trunks, root flares, or large exposed roots can occasionally signal internal decay. The mushroom itself isn't necessarily the problem, it's simply telling you where to investigate. Location changes the message. Now let's talk about when mushrooms may actually be sending you a warning sign. Not because mushrooms are bad, but because they are often responding to larger problems. If mushrooms are appearing alongside yellow leaves, wilting plants, standing water, foul-smelling soil, or rotting roots, you have a drainage issue. The mushroom isn't causing the problem again. It's revealing the conditions that allowed the problem to develop. This is where gardeners make a mistake. They kill the mushroom, but that doesn't solve the real issue. It's like removing the warning light from your dashboard instead of fixing your engine. Think like a detective. The mushroom isn't the culprit, it's a clue. So what's the bottom line? In most gardens, mushrooms are a sign that your soil food web is active, organic matter is breaking down, and nutrients are being recycled. That's exactly what healthy soil is supposed to do. The next time a mushroom appears in your garden, don't immediately ask, "What mushroom is this?" Instead, ask, "What is this mushroom feeding on?" The question will tell you far more about your garden than the mushroom itself. And often the answer is telling you your soil is alive and working exactly as nature intended. If you enjoy learning how to read the clues your garden gives you, please subscribe to Celtic Farm and like this video. We've got plenty more garden detective work ahead.